I could have just sat the night out and not traded, which is what I should have done. I don't usually trade that much at night. But I don't know. I felt compelled to do it. And I might regret it a little bit. Uh-oh. What happened? All right, here we are, Tuesday, the day of the elections. I'm thinking about taking a scalp in gold. I regret not trading yesterday. Yesterday would have been awesome, but I didn't trade. Could have passed probably half my combines yesterday and put a bunch of money in the live account. But better be safe than sorry in the live account. I'm definitely not going to trade that until Wednesday or Thursday maybe. Let the dust settle from the elections and then let the markets normalize a little bit, digest the news, and then I'll start trading the live account again. But definitely thinking about jumping into gold here, just waiting for it to give me a signal. All right, if it happens, I'll bring it to you. Looking good for a long right here.
Order filled.
All right. I'll put my stop just below here. If it wants to make new lows from here, then I'll hop out. Realistically target there. So pretty good risk reward ratio. Okay, going to get stopped out for a few dollar loss.
Order filled.
All right. Now I'm going to jump in short.
Order filled.
Yeah, I wish I would have got in a little earlier. Could be some support here that could last for a while, which is where it went down to and stopped. We'll see if it gets through there. Once it gets through there, looking for another run down to this next support area down here. Tempted to jump out and then get back in. I'm just worried that I'm going to jump out and it's going to rip lower before I can get back in. All right, it's giving me a chance to get out and profit. I'm going to take it. Looks like this is the new channel. Might just have to take it here. I like to drop in the stop. I'll just drop it in.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. All right, out of that trade. So down $70 for the day so far.
Order rejected.
Oh no, I'm missing it,
Order
traders.
filled.
All right, I'm back in. It's breaking. Or it did break a little bit, but I missed that break. I needed to get in up here. Where did I get in? Down here. Let's go to the 5-minute candle. Yeah, I got in later. I'd be in profit right now. Gold's still in an uptrend, but it looks like that uptrend is breaking. So gold looks good right now. I could do a long-term short on this one right now from a technical analysis standpoint, but usually when I trade out technicals, it doesn't work out so good. I need to get like my buttons reversed. So whatever I do based on technicals, it does the opposite. Stuck. Come on, gold. Flushy. New 30-minute opens in 3 minutes. I'd like to be out of this trade by then. Okay, dropping it in.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade. To you. Okay, looks like I got a scalp opportunity to the short side here in gold based on a 30-minute candle. I think I got time to show you. So we had that 30-minute candle retrace right there. That's why I didn't want to be in when that candle was closing. So that 30-minute candle has retraced, and now we're coming back down. This could be looking for another run to the bottom of this right here. So now I'm looking to get in at least a retrace of half of this green candle, if nothing else. 5-minute candle. Here we're on the 5-minute candle. Starting to have red candles break below green candles. And what I'm looking at here on the 1-minute candle is a little more obvious. Is this break up, support area, come up back to the support area. So waiting for the support area to break. And then I'll be looking for another run back to the bottom here.
Order filled.
Okay, in short now. Okay, so it looks like it's thinking about breaking down finally. Had that little retrace there. There we go. Let's go. Come on, gold. Get down here. Looks like I got in right where it wants to make a new support area. Kind of little bounces there. But this shouldn't be strong. It should be down here somewhere. I'd like this candle to close and start trailing tops of candles. But might have to just take the 60 bucks or 40 bucks, whatever it wants to give me.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take that. So that'll give me $63 in the day now. All right, I'll bring it to you. All right, so here we are on election night. I got my gold queued up. I got all my combines ready to go. You can see this support area that it's at right now. This is tempting to get long just for a retracement of this candle because we are at that support level with this new candle opening. But it's election night, so I don't know. I mean, as polls start to close, does anybody react to anything? That's the hard part. It's not whether the news is good or bad. It's not about that. It's not about whether the news is what you think it is or what you don't think it is. It's about how the market reacts to the news. That's the only thing that matters. So I'm jumping in long.
Order filled.
All right, long gold, 1 contract. Copy trading. Oh, let's go. Now I wish what about 2 contracts?
Order filled.
All right, so we're out with that one. We'll take that. $66. Too bad. Could have been $120 there. But I'll take it. Look at this coming back down now. All right, getting ready to jump back into gold. Looking for a... All right.
Order
We're in.
filled.
Looking for a signal to get into gold on my 1 minute and got it. So now in based on the 1 minute chart. All right, it's starting to look a little bearish now. Like this flag pole and this flag maybe breaking to the downside. Looking at the 1 minute chart, that's how it looks. And the 5 minute chart still looks good. Looking for gold to follow Bitcoin a little bit here. At least do a nice retracement of this. All right, we're going to get out of Bitcoin or gold.
Order filled.
Okay, stopped out of gold. Going to get short gold.
Order filled.
1 minute candle looks like it's didn't confirm yet, so maybe premature. On my other monitor, it looks like it could be a small short play, but it didn't confirm. So I might have got myself in trouble by going short. Yep. Yep, that was probably a dumb move there. Did not confirm. I got to wait for my triggers to confirm, and I jumped in without it confirming. So, stupid move.
Order filled.
All right, out of that trade. All right, so I have an order to get short and order to get long. Somewhere if it breaks somewhere outside of this these numbers here. Yeah, it's tempting to get in down here at a better price. I'm only risking about $100 on the trade.
Order filled.
Okay, long, gold. Got my stop down here. 1 contract long in gold. It is showing some major resistance here though, so this flag could be ending and it could be going to the short side. But we'll see what happens here.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Got short gold now. Look, every trade I get in, as soon as I get in, it goes the opposite way. It's like I'm that little pong paddle that's bringing it the other direction. Bong, I got you. Now you're gonna go the other direction. Insane, insane traders. Just like that. As soon as I hit that button, it goes the opposite way instantly. All right, now we're talking. Let's go gold. Okay, here we go. This purple line is should be the next level. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop down now to the top of this candle. If this wants to go green from this red, then I'll pop out. I got 3 minutes left. Okay, almost saw a purple line. Come on, gold. All right, it's bouncing pretty hard right there. Which time we got? 2.5 minutes. Wow, look at that move. Went green. All right, well, I'll take my $150 or whatever it is.
Order filled.
$70 or something. $70. All right, so we're back in with this trade. So right here, I almost hit that target. I should have took my trade off the table when it got stuck. Getting close to that target would have been sweet. We got, where are we at here? 10 seconds. Buying 1 contract.
Order filled.
Okay. Might see some retracement before going higher. 448. Yeah, that's right.
I'm done, Daddy.
You're done. Okay. All right, so my indicator thinks it's going to get up into this pocket up here. If it gets there, though, this thing could easily be going higher. So this could be a pretty nice trade to the long side. We'll see what happens. Any little bit of news can make things whip around. I mean, look at this. Coming all the way back down. Kidding me? All right, that wants to go red. We're just going to get out. Okay, looks like we're going to take that $20 or $30 again instead of the hundreds we could have taken. And if I would have capitalized on all the trades so far tonight with the potential of them, it'd be nicely green right now.
Order filled.
Okay, so we'll take that trade off the table, like $20, and wait. So clearly I should have been more patient with that one. The ones I'm patient with don't work out. The ones I'm not patient with, I should have been patient with. Just, yeah, that's how it goes. And now yeah. See, should have just been patient with that. And there we go, right in the target, as expected, without me. That would have recovered my day and put some profit in the pocket. Jumped out early because I'm being a little nervous about the conditions of the market tonight. expecting it to be different, but so far it's just acting normal. I could have just sat the night out and not traded, which is what I should have done. I don't usually trade that much at night, but I don't know. I felt compelled to do it, and I might regret it a little bit. But if I can keep my losses down to like 600, then I can recover it during the day session, so it's not too bad. Skipping the winners to take the losers, not a good strategy. All right, look at gold. Look at gold boosting without me. It would have been a nice ride. Traders could have been in it. I got some distractions here at home that's making it a little difficult to trade tonight, but I'm going to try to get through it and see if we can make a little money. All right, there it is. Gold's getting into that other purple line I put on the chart. Almost tagged this one, just shy of that. Man, I wish I would have got out right there when he got stuck. Looking at the 5-minute candle, and now we're just about to tag the next one. This is the range it's been trading in. So I'm looking for a short now to take this back to the bottom of the range. Okay, so my 1-minute chart's setting up for a short now in gold. Got about 45 seconds for it to confirm. Okay, getting in short.
Order filled.
Almost missed this move. Almost. All right. Let's get this thing marked up. Looks like we're expecting to come down here and hit this target right here. Let's see what it does. I'm a little lopsided on my risk reward because I got in a little late on that trade, and hit a winner here. Switch over to MGC and have fun trading the night without throwing away all my combines. Can we go over to the 1-minute candle? Go, 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 go.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Target hit. Thank you. Whew. So now I'm only down 162 on the night. So nice recovery. And I'm going to go to MGC. That was scary. MGC. Let's trade over here, shall we? And not re-risking so much money. And I could just have fun. 3 more trades and make 50 bucks each. 60 bucks each would be green on the night. Even if it's 10 bucks, it's 10 bucks, right? It's fun, had fun, make a little money, don't risk my account. All right, traders, unless a big slide happens, like I said, if a big slide happens, I'm going to bounce over to GC. Let's see how easy is that. Boom, right there, top one. Okay, be ready. Be ready. All right, waiting for the next trade to set up. Short.
Order filled.
Okay, jumped in 1 contract short. Should be about $50 risk. Almost a risk 1 to make 1, risking a tiny bit more. But basically like a $50 risk. All right, I'm going to add a short here, which puts $20 more risk on my trade.
Order filled.
All right, so we just added 1 more contract short right there. Added $20 risk to my trade. So now we're about $70 risk for 140 reward. Or not. Might be just coming up just short.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. So take that trade off the table. So now we're down $58. Had I gotten out a little bit closer to that, we'd only be down like 15 or 20 bucks. Had I been trading that over in the GC, be up sweet right now. But not worth the risk, traders. As much as I want to be greedy and be in GC and make $1 million, got to protect the account. So far so good. Now we're only down 58 bucks. It's a blink of an eye. One more nice trade like this. We'll see if something else sets up. Be about a $35 risk with 1 contract. Wow. I don't know if I want to take this trade anymore. It's almost right back at this support area. All right.
Order filled.
There we go. In short. About $32 right there we're looking for. All right. I'm just going to take it off there if it wants to come back up.
Order filled.
Oh, what did I do here? All right, cool. Try to grab it again and drag it real quick because it just basically hit that target, but all good. We'll take it. So now I'm only down $31 on the night. It's kind of fun, right? And there's still big moves coming, I think, and we'll see what happens. I might still get to pass some combines tonight.
Order filled.
Okay, in short now. Purple line.
Order filled.
All right, we're out. Almost hit the purple line. Now we're up $20 on the account for the evening. Waiting for the next setup. Man, if I could have took that up here, it would have been sweet. It could have made over $100 on that trade. All right, traders, back in the green. Going to get short here. Short 1.
Order filled.
All right, the reason why I'm getting short is I got to set up on my 1-minute chart over on Thinkorswim telling me that short is a more likely trade than a long, and had the rejection off of this trend line area. Okay, really close to risk and a retrace of this 5-minute candle before it. So I'm going to go ahead and sell one more.
Order filled.
So now I'm risking $32. And if it hits my target, I'm looking at $68. So pretty nice risk reward. This might be setting up for a long trade if this
Order
is going to...
filled.
Okay, so stopped out there. So now we're down $16. Might want to take gold to the long side here.
Order filled.
Okay, long in gold now with 2 contracts. All right, in the target. I can't be greedy. If it boosts through here, then great, but it's not. We got here. When's this close? In 2.5 minutes? All right. Should have just took it off there. For now, let's put it here to break even plus a few dollars. All right, I'll just take it. If it's not going to go right away, I'll take it.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. It's like a $3 difference. So it made like $40 on that trade. So now we're up $20.96. We're back to that. So back in the green in the account. See, a couple seconds later, story of my life, right? And I could say, well, but Eric, you saw this happening right here. Of course it's going to break out higher. But just because I want it to doesn't mean it's going to. But yeah, look, a few more seconds. This is what always happens to me. When I'm patient, I give it back. When I'm not, I miss out. So now I'd be putting my stop in break even here. And then hoping to get lucky. And then start trailing candles. Okay, so here we are back in gold, except now I'm in GC. And I'm thinking about taking... If this short trade sets up on my Thinkorswim monitor on the 1-minute candle, I'm going to jump in. Right now you're looking at the 5-minute candle. But I may be taking this short trade here if this sets up.
Order filled.
All right, so now we're in short. Okay, new 30-minute candle's opening in 5 seconds. Come on, 30-minute. Dip down here nicely. And I let go of the button. No, I can't believe it. Oh, man. So there goes $200 we just lost out on because I let go of the button. Oh, I can't believe it. I was waiting for it to drop, then I put my stop break even plus a couple dollars. And there goes the target just like that. Man, traders, I can't catch a break tonight. What just happened? So for those of you who are not trading with Topstep X, when the order's in, I can left click, grab it, and drag. And when I let go of the left click, then it puts it down. But if I don't let go of it, it stays where it was. So if I had an order in and I moved it up, my stop up here, and then I grab it again, like wait a little bit, grab it, and then I move it, as long as I don't let go of my left click, that is still the order right there. But I had a little twitch. This is why, in all seriousness, I don't like to leave my fingers over the mouse clickers when I'm moving this around. Like I keep them away from the mouse clickers because I've clicked accidentally before and got into trades. Like if I sit over here with my thing getting ready to take the order, I will not sit with my finger on the clicker because sometimes I'll get a little nervous, like tick, I guess, and click it. Well, this time I unclicked it and missed out on $200. All right, bring the next trade to you. Man, I'm so bummed about that.
Order filled.
Okay, in the trade. Come on, a little more. Oh, it's where I thought it would be. All right, I'll drop it right there. I'll drop it there, which is the bottom of this. If I get lucky,
Order
okay,
filled.
out. So if I got lucky, it'd push back. It'd push all the way through with that one candle, but there could be some support here. I don't want to take the chance on just missing the target like you saw happen a few times already. It's kind of a rejection off a little bit of a trend line as well. It's kind of nice.
Order filled.
Okay, so in this trade short, I move this down to this right spot. I mean, if it breaks, it can be huge, but if it doesn't, well, then it's a loss, right? So rather wait for it to break and then retest and then get a new setup.
Order filled.
All right, cool. So out of that trade, so I made a, I don't know if I made any money on that trade, maybe $1, 50 cents or whatever. Here it goes, coming back up from here. This could be a long trade now because we are bouncing off the support area. A long trade I would be more interested in. Yeah, I should have probably just took my trade off the break of that. Locked in that $50 or whatever. That could have been nice. But I wanted to give it a run because if it did break to the downside, it could have been a huge move. Okay, might have another short setup taking place here with gold back in MGC. Looking at the 1 minute. Yep, here we go. A few seconds left. Waiting for confirmation. All right, I think I could take this trade here.
Order filled.
All right, we're short. Okay, pretty much coming into the target right now.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Hit that target. That was right here. I didn't get a chance to mark it up. Things were happening too fast, but $242 there. So for another $42 on that trade. So just these little, just slowly chipping away, Now I'm $174 away from passing my combine. I could probably come over here to GC and look and see what we got going on here. I mean, we're breaking down below everything right now. It looks like they might be getting ready to call this race for Trump. And gold looks like it wants to break down. We're on the 5 minute candle. See if this thing wants to retrace or break. If this bottom line breaks, then there could be a nice quick easy 100 and 200, maybe quick easy $200 or $300 in it. One, if it doesn't give me a retrace and wants to break, we'll take the break. And then we're going to start to trail a tight stop.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
All right, out of that trade. So past the first combine. So pretty sweet. So one combine done. So now I need to go in my combines and take away that one. Election trading. Thank you for passing the combine. One down. A few more to go. See if we can get these other ones passed. All right, let me adjust this now. So I've got to go here. Wait, which one? So let's go to copy trading. 355. You are no longer invited. Save changes. We got one down. Look at gold selling off. Like I said, they're getting ready to call it for Trump. I think gold will sell off more. Do I trade this? I mean, do I get back in this thing and just go for the ride? I don't know. We might have to wait for a normal session tomorrow. I got one combine pass. Pretty stoked about that. Okay, here you are with the morning session. Getting ready to see what happens here. Look at gold from last night. This is wild. Gold sold off big time right there. Huge sell off in gold. This is where we traded it all back. All right, market's open. We traded all back in here, and now gold just tanky. I'm tempted to get back in gold here on the 5 minute candle for another scalp. Not part of my setup at all. But you can see this M pattern getting ready to break right here. Okay, gold's starting to break this level here. Let me jump in short.
Order filled.
One contract gold. Because it could turn around to come back up to retest this support resistance area. Yep.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take whatever that was, $20 or whatever end up giving us. Okay, short trade is now triggering.
Order filled.
So jumped in short now, gold, one contract. Again, I'm going to start to trail it tight. All right, it's having a hard time. All right.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take it there. So that'll bring another 300 and change. All right, so I marked up my chart so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. This is the trade that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the trade that takes place inside this pocket up here. You know, the bottom of this is at 679. The top of this is at 692-ish. So you got a lot. That's a big move in there. I only need 4 points, 4 and 0.2 or whatever to pass my other two combines. And basically almost max out my other two combines for the day as far as my 1,500 a day goes. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to get into this zone, looking for that retracement, and then looking for a run back up to the top of this. That's the trade that I'm looking for. And hopefully it'll give me at least $4 and change, which will be pretty awesome.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, here we are with that gold trade. I was in a meeting, so I wasn't able to talk about my trades as they were taking place. Hopefully it wasn't too boring to see them with the music. But right there, it got into that zone I was looking for. I'm looking at the 1 minute candle right now. Got into the zone up here. Popped into that zone, retraced as I was looking for. And in a break above, I was able to take that next trade and get so close to passing my combines. It was right there. So I'm going to wait for the right setup. And then when that right setup happens, I'll only need to make $10 out of that right setup. So it's almost 100% probability as far as I'm concerned if I'm trading a proper setup. So still waiting on one. May not get one today. You know, I might have to wait till tomorrow to get this $10, which would be kind of a bummer. I'd like to get it done today. Sell stop 1. Uh-oh, what happened? Sell stop 1. Said I reached my PDPT or something like that in that bottom left corner. Please deactivate something. This thing thinks I reached that already because of one account. All right, let's do this. Do nothing. So I need $17. So profit 17. Okay, so now I can come down here, right click, because this, I guess one of my accounts made almost that amount of money. Sell. Stop sell 1. Okay, so one of these accounts, I guess this one is too close to that target I set in there, so it wouldn't let me use that tool. So I used the other tool that I showed you. Put that in. If I want to do a little breakthrough here, we're going to see a spike probably down to here. Don't even need that much. I just need like a penny or 2 pennies. And a move below this triggers a short trade on the 5 minute candle, which I won't need. I'll be out. So I think I set this thing for $17. But I only need $10. $10. So I literally need a 10-cent move, which this thing pretty much moves in 10-cent moves. You can see here the spread is 20 cents. So just a 30-cent move is what I'll end up needing because of the spread. Kind of nervous, traders. I only need $10. I don't want to give away 300 to make 10. But this is a setup. Everything looks good, but nothing's guaranteed. Feel like it's 100% go, but you never know.
Order filled.
Boom, we're in. Do we give it all away or do we pass the combine? Oh, so close. So close. Wait, one combine is passed or was passed? No, come on, GC. What are you doing?
Order filled.
$4 away.
Order filled.
Back in. I didn't let this thing liquidate. I saw that I'd passed over here, so I got out with $4 away. Still looks good for a lot more room to the downside here. I mean, we could be looking way down here easily or more. All right, come on, GC. I'm $4 away from passing. Don't take it away from me.
Order filled.
All right, so now we passed. 2 more combines passed. So I got 3 combines passed total. 2 left to go. This one's got about $400 left on it, which is probably going to be waiting for tomorrow's trading. And then the other straggler, which will take a while, about $1,000 away. I'm tempted to just keep trading out the day. Traders, you know, market's hot right now. I'm doing pretty good with it. I'm reading it well. But I feel like, you know, when you trade long enough, you're going to get into a losing streak. And I've had a really long winning streak overnight into now. Do I press my luck and keep going? Or do I just wait for a new day and take it easy? And I think the right answer to that is take my 3 combines past. Tomorrow's a new day. And just wait for the next setup and do it that way. So I'm going to shut it down for today. Get this video processed. I got like 4 hours or 5 hours of video to process, so it's going to take a long time. And then we'll see y'all tomorrow. 3 combines down, 2 to go.
Bye. Remember, always hit the subscribe button.